For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Car insurance in California can be expensive, but with the smart use of AI technology, you can find cheaper rates without sacrificing coverage. AI helps you analyze your needs, compare providers, and even optimize your driving behavior to lower your premiums. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you leverage AI to get affordable car insurance in California. Step 1. Understand California car insurance basics. Before using AI, it's important to know what California requires for car insurance and what factors impact your rates. California requires minimum liability coverage. $15,000 for injury/death to one person. $30,000 for injury/death to more than one person. $5,000 for property damage. Other coverages like collision, comprehensive, uninsured motorist are optional but recommended. Factors affecting your rate: age, driving record, vehicle type, location, credit score, miles driven. Knowing this helps AI tools tailor insurance quotes to your real needs. Step 2. Use AI-powered insurance comparison tools. Many websites now incorporate AI to streamline insurance shopping by comparing hundreds of quotes quickly. Visit AI-driven comparison sites such as The Zebra, Compare.com, Gabi. Input your California-specific details, zip code, car make/model, driving history. The AI engine analyzes thousands of policy options and personalizes recommendations. These platforms highlight policies that fit your budget and coverage needs. Tip: some AI tools use machine learning to factor in subtle risk profiles better than traditional quote forms, providing more accurate, often cheaper quotes. Step 3. Use AI chatbots for instant customer support. AI chatbots on insurance websites can guide you through complex insurance jargon, helping you select cost-saving options. Ask chatbots about discounts for bundling auto plus home insurance, low-mileage driver discounts, defensive driving course discounts. Chatbots can quickly check eligibility for state-specific programs like California's Good Driver Discount. This immediate, personalized assistance helps uncover savings you might miss. Step 4. Leverage AI telematics and usage-based insurance, UBI. Many insurers now offer AI-powered telematics programs that monitor your driving behavior through a smartphone app or device. California insurers offering UBI include State Farm's Drive Safe and Save, Allstate's DriveWise, Progressive's Snapshot. How it works: AI analyzes your speed, braking, acceleration, and miles driven. Safe driving habits get rewarded with discounts. Benefits: pay based on how safely and how much you drive. Especially good for low-mileage drivers. Important: make sure the insurer's telematics program is approved by California's Department of Insurance and respects privacy laws. Step 5. Use AI to improve your driving habits. Some AI apps go beyond monitoring. They coach you to drive safer and smarter. Download apps like EverDrive, SafeDrive, Zubi. These apps analyze your driving and give feedback on hard braking, rapid acceleration, speeding. Over time, your improved driving behavior can lower insurance premiums, especially with UBI programs. Step 6. Let AI help you optimize coverage levels. Overpaying for unnecessary coverage is common. AI tools can help you tailor your policy precisely. AI platforms analyze your vehicle's age, condition, and market value to recommend whether collision or comprehensive coverage is cost-effective. Ideal deductible amounts. Optimal liability limits above California minimums for protection without overpaying. Some sites allow you to run what-if scenarios quickly to see how coverage adjustments affect premiums. This ensures you're not paying for coverage you don't need. Step 7. Use AI to find additional discounts. AI can identify and apply discounts that you might overlook. Examples of California-specific discounts include good student discount for young drivers with good grades, military and veteran discounts, multi-policy discounts, low annual mileage discounts. AI-powered quote engines automatically check your eligibility and adjust quotes accordingly. This helps maximize savings without manually searching. Step 8. Automate renewal and price tracking with AI. Insurance rates can fluctuate frequently. AI tools can track prices and notify you when better deals appear. Set alerts on AI-driven insurance comparison sites or apps. Some tools auto-compare your current policy with competitors at renewal time. You get reminders to shop around or switch before your policy auto-renews at a higher rate. Automation reduces the risk of overpaying simply because you forgot to check prices. Step 9. Use AI-powered credit score improvement tools. Your credit score impacts your California car insurance rates. AI tools like Credit Karma or Experian Boost help you. Monitor your credit regularly. Identify actions to improve your score, e.g., paying down debt, correcting errors. Better credit often leads to lower insurance premiums. Improving credit is a longer-term strategy, but yields significant savings. Step 10. Consider AI-powered insurance brokers or agents. Some modern brokers use AI to find the best deals for you by analyzing your needs across many providers. They use AI algorithms to quickly filter offers and negotiate prices. Brokers can help you understand the policy fine print using AI-driven document analysis. Some offer AI chatbots to answer your insurance questions 24/7. Using these services can save you time and money by streamlining the entire process. Bonus tips to maximize AI benefits for cheap car insurance in California. Regularly update your driving data in telematics apps for accurate discount tracking. Bundle auto insurance with renters or homeowners insurance for multi-policy savings. Choose higher deductibles carefully. AI can help you balance risk and savings. Take defensive driving courses and upload certificates to AI platforms to unlock discounts. Keep your vehicle well-maintained. Some AI tools recommend maintenance schedules that help lower claims risk. Be honest with AI tools. Inaccurate info can lead to denied claims or canceled policies. Summary. AI has revolutionized how Californians shop for car insurance by making it faster, smarter, and more personalized. From instant AI-driven quote comparisons and telematics monitoring to AI chatbots that find every available discount, the power of artificial intelligence can dramatically reduce your car insurance costs. By following these steps, you can use AI to quickly find the best rates tailored for your profile and California's laws. Improve your driving habits to earn discounts. Optimize your coverage for cost efficiency. Monitor insurance prices and credit health automatically. This approach will help you secure affordable, compliant car insurance in California while keeping you protected on the road. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.